Okay, yes. Sorry, there was some problem in respect of setting on my tablet. So I could successfully recover from those settings. I haven't added activity on Moodle with respect to your assignments. The reason was like there are some issues with the plugin that was included there. So I am working on it. But till that time, you can note down this mail ID. You can submit your assignments on this mail ID: pucssign@gmail.com. Fine. So you have to submit your assignments on this mail ID. I'm posting this mail ID there on our group. Fine. So you have to submit your assignments. You can take a day or two to submit it. Not an issue. Fine. So I hope now everybody is there. So we can start. Okay. So we will go with the first problem that we solved. Can anybody post the solution which we solved for example a plus b star ABB? Can either of you send a solution on WhatsApp group? The first problem that we worked out, a plus b star ABB, so that I can work with this. So a plus b star ABB was the thing, correct? So let me draw it. So you can correct me. A, B, C, D, and E. Okay. So we had A, B, C, D, and E. Correct? These were the states. Can one of you tell me which were the edges? Yes, either of you can let me know so that we can get information about. Yes, Akash?
Sir, from A to B. Yes, sir. I posted the solution in the group.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Let me check it. Final diagram. I want final diagram.
Okay, sir. Just a minute.
Final diagram. The diagram that we have constructed, this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me draw this. Okay, good. Ram, can I call you later? I am in lecture now. Thank you. Okay, so we had this. Then we had a transition from B onwards. Fine. Later we had B to D. Okay. And then D to B. Correct. Then there was a self loop for E. From E, we said we'll go to C as well as B. Is this correct? With respect to the arrows, check it. So I will write inputs A, B. This was A. Okay, I forgot to add one arrow. So let me draw it. From C, it was going to B. This was A. This was B. This was B. This was A. This was B. This was A. This was B. Correct? Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now our target is what? This is a DFA that we have drawn. Now, can this DFA be minimized? So we are talking about now algorithm, okay, which will minimize this FA. Okay. Fine. Now we have to see, like when I say minimize, I mean to remove, or I mean to like there are 5 edges currently. I want there are 5 states currently. I want to get a solution if somehow I can get same string or same language accepted with a DFA, new DFA, where there might be some less number of states in comparison to this. It should accept the same language. So how to do that? So first of all, try to see how many different states are there. There are two groups. Okay, first group is non and second group is final state, correct? So we have these two sets. Now, with respect to these two sets, let us try to write everything in terms of a set perspective. So how many states are there? In the solution, we had 5. So let us try to divide them and write them into this. So let us give some name to this as pi1. Okay, and we'll write state. Which are the non-final states in the given diagram? Let me write A, B, C, and D. And which is the final state? E. Is that okay? Can anybody tell me whether I have written correctly? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
I should write A, B, C, and D, and E. So for A, we have which transitions? We have B, C. From B, we have B, D. From C, we have B, C. From D, we have B, and this was the arrow, correct? So E, correct? And from E, we have BC. So this is the transition table that we have written for this diagram, correct? Is it visible, everyone? This is a transition table that we had. So we have drawn this transition diagram. I have written an equivalent transition table for states and inputs. Okay, state names are here. Like if I see B, everyone goes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with B over here. For B input, it is going to for C, 3 states are going to C. So C, and 1 state is going to D, and 1 state is going to E. So that's what we wrote. Okay, now let us try to concentrate on this. Now let us say that this is one group, this is another group. So we have grouped them with respect to two groups. One is non-final states, other one is final states. Now try to find out with each input, give input to A and see whether are we staying in the same group or we are going outside the group. When I said this, what exactly it means? If I give input small a to capital A, where it goes as per the diagram, it goes to B. So is it part of same set? Yes. If I give B, where it goes? It goes to C. Correct? Let me talk about B now. If I give A, where it goes? It goes to same state B. If I give B, it goes to D. It is again in the same group. Now let me talk about C. If I give input A, it goes to B, same group. If I give input B, it goes to C. So it is again in same group. Now let me talk about D. If I give a small a to input D, it remains in same group. But if I give small small b to D, it goes where? It goes towards this group. Correct? So let me construct pi2 now. I will take out this D because I'm talking about group in the second step. The transition input for a state into the same group. Whenever it is going outside that group, you take out that state. So I will say, I will create another group here. I will add E as it is, correct? And now what is remaining over here? A, B, and C. Is that okay? Understood what I did? What I did over here? What changes have been made by me? I took first two groups, non-final states and final states. Then I tried finding, I gave a name to this group as pi1. I tried finding out transitions from each of these states, whether it is going to other group. So when I worked out for A, with both the inputs, I remained in the same group. When I worked with A and B, with state to be B, I remained in same group. With C also, I remained in same group. But when I talked about D, for one input A, it remains in the same group, but for one input, it is going out. So this is different. So that's why I took it out and then I created another group. So I got now 3 groups. Earlier, there were only 2, A, B, C, D and E. Now I have pi2, A, B, C in one group, D in another group and E in one another group. So let me construct pi3. Okay, now let us do the same process. If I give input A and B to A, it remains in the same group, correct? If I give input A and B to B, where it is going, A remains same group, but for B, it goes outside. Let me talk about C as well. If I give input A, it remains in same group. If I give input B, it remains in same group. So for A and C, it remains in same group, but whenever I do talk about B, if I give input B to this B, it goes to this D. That's the reason what I will do is I will take out this group. Understood? Now let us move further. Let us go with pi4. Now, if I talk about input A for A and C, both, for one input, for whatever the states those are there, they should remain in same group or they should reach to same group. Same thing would be here. Like whenever I give input A and B for each of these states, they remained in same group, but for one input, for D, it went outside. That's why we took out this D. But if, for example, if I talk about this now, same thing was applied over here because D was going outside, so I took it. But now when I took B outside, what was the reason? Because A and C remained in same group, but B was going outside. That's why I took B outside. Now, when I talk about A and B, C, if I give input A, where both of them are going to capital B. And if I talk about small b, it remained in same group. So for some input, it should remain in same group, and for some other input, if it is going to same group, but which is other than the original group. Okay, so you don't divide this into group. Your final solution is this. Okay, now as this is the final solution where previous pi and this is pi new, so pi 1, this is pi I plus 1. When pi I plus 1 and pi r remain same, then you terminate the construction. Okay, now here we got A and C in one group. I will rename this group by A because A was my initial state. That is the reason. Then I will go with B, I will go with D, I will go with E. So these would be now my new states. Correct. Now when I said new states, what about C then? So what I will do is I will remove C from this. And wherever C is, what name I gave here for C, A and C group, I gave A. So I will write A here. I will write A here. So earlier, how many states were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many states would be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me draw now a diagram for this new table that I got. So let me draw it. A, B, D, and E. Whichever the earlier final state will remain as it is. Correct. This should remain as initial state only because A was initial state. I could have given C as well here instead of A. Only thing is wherever A is, I have to remove this. I have to delete that line. So that's what I kept A because A was my initial. So in that case, I will call C as initial state. But better would be you keep the initial state as it is. So only remove the other state which is in the same group. So now when I give input A here, where am I going? Where am I going? I am going to B. So I will write here A. If I give input B, it goes here. So I got B now. Now with respect to B, if I go with B, if I give input A, then it remains in same group. And if I give input B, it is going to be here. So this will be what? B gives B. If I try again, For A, it is going to A here, and for B, it is going here. Correct? Sorry, I made a mistake. B. Fine. Now for E, if I talk about A, it is going here. Okay. And for B, it is going to some other state. Okay. Have I made any mistake? Check it. Check it now. So if you see how many B transitions are 1, 2, 3, 4. For A, there should be 2 transitions. So I added 2. For 1B, it is going to D, and 1B, it is going to E. So 1B is here, and from D, we are going having. So we got now this one. Correct. Now if you carefully see, are we getting, are we accepting these strings? So what are the string that is the A plus B star ABB? What are the possible strings? We said ABB, then AABB, then BABB, then ABABB, and so on. You can go on with respect to this, and you try to find out now either of these strings. So I got A first, then B, and then B. So I got this string accepted. Let me go with another string, AABB. So A, B, B. I got this also as accepted. Let me talk about BABB. So I got B, A, B, B. So this also is accepted. If I take about this fourth string, which is ABABB. So A, then B, A, B, B. So each string which we will be generating would be accepted by this. So if you see, earlier diagram was having 5 states. Now we got states, right? And it will accept the same language which was accepted by the same set of strings would be accepted by both of these. Only difference between this is it had 5 states, now it is having 4 states. Any question? Any question, please? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
हाँ इसको देख check WhatsApp group. I have posted this solution and try to work out like what I did. Try to chew it up, okay, and let me know. Any question, please? Have you understood this? I will repeat one more time for revision purpose to understand this. We have been given this regular expression. We are asked to construct a minimized DFA. Now recall, I said you will be getting a problem where marks would be divided in 3 groups. So marks are like this. You have 2 marks for NFA with epsilon move, 6 marks for the DFA construction using subset construction, and 2 marks would be there for that minimization. What are the minimization that we carried out? So this would be a compulsory question for you. I'm opening a question paper provided there is a live test which is not MCQ. In that situation, we will have this kind of test. So at least for internals, we'll be having 10 marks problem like this. Is that okay? Okay, let us repeat this problem. I will tell you one more time what exactly this is. So what assumption is, what are the regular expression given to us? We are asked to construct a minimized DFA for the given regular expression. So what we did was we drawn NFA with epsilon moves. Then using subset construction, we constructed this one, a DFA. Now our last target is to minimize this. So for minimization purpose, what we did was we took this diagram, transition diagram, and we picked the states and we divided them into two sets. One group is non-final state, other group is final state. Now, if I see this particular set, okay, I tried finding out for each input of from non-final states, do I have any outgoing transition to some other group? Now, if I talk about A, it remains in same group for A and B because B and C is the state, so it is there. For B, B and D, it is again in same group. For C, it is B and C, it is in same group. But when I have talked about D, for D, one of the input it goes to B, but for other input it is going outside. So that's why I took out this B from here. Now why we haven't taken other states? Because they are remaining in the same group for each input. If all of them are targeting to same, we could have not divided this. If either of them are marking towards this E, then we could not have continued this. Fine. Let us talk about next stage. So we got ABC, we got D, we got E. So again, we started constructing new pi. Okay. Again, we tried finding out transitions for ABC. So we got for A, same state, which is by C as well. So if I give A, it goes to B. From C, it goes to B. For B, A goes to C. For B, it goes to D. So that's why we took out B. Correct. Now, when I talked about this particular group, I considered again new pi. So I got AC now, B, D, and E. Now for one input, like A, both of them are targeting to one group only. What I said? One group only. And for other case, for other input, they remain in one group only, though it is the same group. So for B, A goes to C. For B, C goes to C. So that's why they are remaining in same group. Same case for both of them with A input, both of them are targeting to B. So we haven't divided this. And we terminated by saying that we will represent this by one state. Whatever the number of states those are there, we represented it to one state and we got this. And then we constructed this kind of table. So we removed occurrence of C from this diagram and we replaced each occurrence of C by A. So we had two occurrences. We deleted this line because C will not be the state here. So we got now this one and this one. Is that okay? Understood? So though I have taken very few strings over here, but you can try either of the string from this set. Test with this diagram. Fine. So let us take another interesting example that we have solved. 1 minute. Let me try finding out that. Yes, we had this. I will take this example now. I have this. So ABB star. So for that purpose, if you carefully check, have we got this one? Check whether it is correct or not. I hope we solved it, na? So it should take ABB and then repetition. So let us try to work out with this case. So how many states are there? So regular expression given to us is, so we'll write the problem statement. Construct minimize DFA for given RE A BB star. So what will you do in this case? When it is ABB star, ultimately you will try to find out first stage would be what? Construct equivalent NFA with epsilon moves for this regular expression, whatever the regular expression given. Second would be what? For NFA in 1, use subset construction and get DFA. Fine. Now the third step would be what? Third step would be what? Now with assumption that for first step construct equivalent NFA, we got this. Okay. For second step, it is saying from NFA in 1. So this NFA, use subset construction and get DFA. So we got this DFA. Okay, so I will draw that DFA here. Third state is construct minimized DFA. Okay, using algorithm. So I will give algorithm statement later. Okay, on Moodle, I will keep it on Moodle. Okay, so now we have, I will draw this diagram. So we have this A, we have B, correct. Then we have C, we have D, A, B, C, D. We have A, B, B, and A from the solution that we got earlier. Correct? This is the initial step. Now, how many states are there? Can somebody point out? How many states are there? Yes, please. How many states are there? 4. Okay, so let us try to divide this. So first pi 1. Pi 1 is what? Non-final states. Which are they? BC. And final states are AD. Correct? Fine. Now try to find out where exactly it is going. For input A, there is no transition for B and C. For input B, B goes to C, but C goes outside. So we will take out B, C, A, and D. Fine. So this we got as pi 2. Okay. Now we will try some other way around. Now we are done with B, C, A, D. Correct? We have 3 states. Now we cannot divide this further because we had B, we had C. Now apply the algorithm for A and D. For A, we are going to B. Okay. And for D, we are going to B only. So both of them, for A and D, whichever the states are here, both of them are going to same group, correct? So we cannot divide this. We cannot divide this. So what we will do is we'll replace this by A only. Earlier we did it for non-final state. Now we got it for final state. So this is pi 3. Now if I draw or if I construct transition table, I would be having A, B. What is this? B dash. What is B? C. What is C? D. Correct? For C, there is no input. For D, sorry, for B, sorry, I wrote wrongly. This is dash and this would be B. Correct? For C, again, this is dash, this would be D, na? Sorry.
So C.
Let me write it one more time. I have made a mess over here. A, B, C, D. So we have A and B. For A, with A, we had B. So I will write B. For B, there is no transition. For B, with A, no transition. But for B, with for C, with B would be C. For state C, now input A, no transition. But we input B goes to D. For D, it goes to B. There is no transition. So we got this now. Correct? Now let us repeat one more time. What we did for pi 1, we did this. For pi 2, pi 2, what we did was we tried finding out for B whether we are going to same other group or not. So we identified that C goes outside. That's why we took out C. Now there is no further division between them. So as we have now more states in a group, so that's why we'll apply same process for this other remaining group. Okay. Non-final, final would be considered over here only. And last stage, we'll talk about it right now. Fine. So while we are talking about in between constructions, we will not worry whether it is final or non-final. We will see like both of them are more than these states in a group. For some input, they should go to same group. Okay, and it should be repeated for every such input. So for A, there is no B, there is no transition for A and D. Correct. But for A, both of them are marking towards B. correct? So that's why what we will do is we will rename this AD group by A. So let us replace D occurrence. So I will delete this. I will replace D occurrence by A. Fine. Now I will say A, which is my initial state as well. Correct. Now with I am state B, I am going with A. Then for B, when I talk about this, I go to C, and from C, I go to D. Correct. Now, when I had A and D, this group was renamed. So which was the final state here? D. As we renamed this, okay, as we renamed this, we will keep initial state as it is. Even if you take D, then we have to say that D will act as the initial state. So I'm giving only A here, which also is final state now, because it was in final state group. It was final here, correct? So now, if you see what was the minimum string, it would be epsilon. So initial and final state is same. That's why epsilon is accepted. Now one ABB. So ABB, we got this. So if I repeat this ABB now, so which was here, like for example, we wrote it. We had ABB, then ABB. So if I take ABB, you repeat this ultimate number of times. So whatever the diagram that we had, which had 4 states, it is a DFA. We could construct a minimized DFA with 3 states only. So this is minimization. Now these are the 2 extreme cases that we took. Another simple example would be, for example, A star. Have we drawn a NFA or a regular expression? Have we drawn or constructed NFA with for this A star? Check out. A star किया है हमने, देख लो एक बार. ये समझ में आ गया by the way? Yes. Have you understood this one?
Yes.
सबको समझ में आ गया? हमने जो प्रोसेस अप्लाई किया था नॉन फाइनल को, वो भी वही फाइनल को भी अप्लाई किया. दैट्स व्हाई वी कुड गेट दिस वन, मिनिमाइज्ड डीएफए. ठीक है. अभी मैं एक एग्जांपल लेता हूं पूरा जो अपने पास है. मैं इसका सॉल्यूशन पोस्ट कर देता हूं आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में. इसको समझ लेना, थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होगा. अभी आपने जो 20 एग्जांपल्स लिए हुए हैं, जो मैंने 10 दिए थे, करेक्ट? 10 I gave you and 10 I hope I assume you took it out. Okay. So there is no urgency to send your solutions. So like these were the examples. So we will take, I assume that you solved this. So I will take this example, A star plus B star, and we will work with, can we construct a minimized DFA? Okay, and then we will start. Okay, so problem statement, let us write first. Construct minimized DFA for regular expression A star plus B star. Fine. तो अभी ये A star B star है. So we have to draw first NFA with epsilon. Step 1. So let me write this step 1. So कैसे करेंगे? प्लस है यहाँ पर. So पहले A star है, तो ये A निकाल लिया, ये उसका हो गया स्टार. ऐसे ही B निकाल लिया, this would be star. और ये प्लस है, इसलिए यहाँ पर 2 स्टेट्स. ये फाइनल. चेक कर लो आपने जो सॉल्यूशन बनाया हुआ है, इसका डायग्राम ऐसे ही आया क्या? एक बार देख लो. If you understood correctly, you should get diagram like this only. Okay. अभी हम इसके इनपुट लिख लेते हैं. यहाँ पर है A, यहाँ पर है B. एप्सिलॉन 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 एप्सिलॉन. करेक्ट? ठीक है ये डायग्राम. ओके. तो अभी हम बात करते हैं स्टेट्स के नाम. लेट अस गिव नंबर्स 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. करेक्ट. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, पहले एप्सिलॉन क्लोजर निकालेंगे. ठीक है. लेट अस कंस्ट्रक्ट एप्सिलॉन क्लोजर. एप्सिलॉन क्लोजर ऑफ 0. अभी हम सबसेट कंस्ट्रक्शन अप्लाई करें. करेक्ट. व्हाट इज एप्सिलॉन क्लोजर ऑफ 0? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी? Can anybody tell me what is epsilon closure of 0 here?
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2. उसके बाद
4, 5,
0,
6,
1,
8,
2.
9.
उसके बाद 4. करेक्ट. ये मेरा एरो रह गया. 4. Then ये 5, 6, 8. करेक्ट. 5, 6, 8 and
9.
ठीक है.
9.
तो ये क्या हो गया हमारा नया स्टेट. करेक्ट. सो मार्क ए for A compute T. If somebody was asking, can we write TA? Let us not do that. Let us follow the procedure. I will add that proper algorithm from the book, from compiler construction book by Aho Ullman. Okay, so I will post that algorithm which is used by compilers. So that's why we are using this algorithm. For input A, अभी यहाँ पर देखो कौन से स्टेट से A का ट्रांजिशन है 2 से. करेक्ट. So you will be getting 3 over here. What is epsilon closure of 3? Epsilon closure of T निकालते हैं मतलब 3. क्या है epsilon closure of 3? 3, 4, 9. ये वापिस आएगा 2, 3, 4, 9. करेक्ट. ठीक है. बराबर है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2, 3, 4, 9. Is this same? No. That means what? New state. For B, T. देखो अभी क्या होगा. अभी B, like we are working with B input now. So if I go with either of these states, so I could see that 6 is there. So I need to add 7. Correct. So let me take epsilon closure of now. T 7 का epsilon closure लेंगे तो क्या आएगा 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this would be state C. Is this correct? तो मार्क ए हो गया. अभी हम करेंगे मार्क बी फॉर ए. बोलो क्या आएगा. टी 2, 3, 4, 9. 2 यहाँ पर है, इसका मतलब 3 आ गया. करेक्ट. तो ये फिर से रिपीट हो गया. तो ये क्या हो गया सेल्फ लूप हो गया. यस. फॉर बी अगर ये टी लेते 2, 3, 9 यहाँ पर भी ट्रांजिशन नहीं है तो ये हो गया लेटेस्ट मार्क. और सी क्या है हमारा 6, 7, 8, 9. यहाँ से 8 ट्रांजिशन है क्या कुछ नहीं. तो ये क्या आ गया टी पाई. फॉर बी व्हाट इज टी 7. करेक्ट. सो एप्सिलॉन क्लोजर ऑफ टी क्या आया. ये इसको मैं लिख सकता हूँ सेल्फ लूप. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे कोई स्टेट बचा नहीं तो हमारा डीएफए हो गया. तो यहाँ पर हम डीएफए ड्रॉ करेंगे. ये हो गया ए को अगर ए देता हूं तो जा रहा है बी को. अगर बी इनपुट देता हूं तो जा रहा है सी को. यहाँ पर फाइनल स्टेट कौन सा था 9. करेक्ट. किस सेट में 9 आया हुआ है. तीनों में आ रहा है. देखो यहाँ पर भी 9 है, यहाँ पर भी 9 है, यहाँ पर भी 9 है. तो क्या हो जाएगा तीनों फाइनल बन गए. ठीक है. अभी हमारे बी और सी के ट्रांजिशंस बाकी है. बी को अगर ए दिया तो यहाँ पे हो रहा है. ठीक है. इसका फाई है. अगर इसको लेते हैं तो ये क्या हो गया बी हो गया. ये बी हो गया. ये सॉल्यूशन करेक्ट. कितने लोगों का सेम आया है आंसर बताइए प्लीज. बताइए प्लीज.
करेक्ट है सर.
Yes, sir. It is
करेक्ट
same.
है.
Correct.
तो अभी यहाँ पर नॉन फाइनल स्टेट्स है क्या कोई. तो जब हम
नहीं.
पाई 1 पाई 2 निकालेंगे
नहीं है.
पाई 1 निकालेंगे. हाँ ये कुछ भी नहीं हमारे पास. ये क्या आ गया एबीसी. इसमें से कोई आउटगोइंग ट्रांजिशन है क्या. इसी ग्रुप में रह रहा है ना अभी ये. ठीक है. जबकि ये बट cannot go out these all by only. करेक्ट. क्या किया ओनली ये किया. तो जहां जहां पर बी या सी दिख रहा है हमें उसको हम ए से रिप्लेस कर देंगे। मतलब क्या हुआ, ये ए बी और सी था, ये आपका ए और बी था, ए को ए दिया तो बी को गया, ए को बी दिया तो सी को गया, बी को ए गया तो बी को गया, बी को बी नहीं था, सी को ए नहीं था, सी को बी दिया तो सी को गया। करेक्ट। तो यहाँ पर ए बी सी, जहां जहां पर बी सी है उसको हम ए से रिप्लेस कर देंगे क्योंकि एक ही सेट में आया ना ये, और कहीं पे जा नहीं रहा है। So when you cannot find out, divide them into other states, then you give some name to it. So we give name A. So ultimately आपका फाइनल डायग्राम क्या आएगा? A कॉमा भी आएगा, ठीक है? A कॉमा भी आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? Yes?
Yes, sir.
उसमें गलती दिख रहा है कुछ आपको?
We have to put final state.
Sorry?
We have to put final state, sir.
Final state.
Yeah, it would be final ना? This would be final. आपको इसमें गलती लग रहा है क्या कुछ? Do you find any mistake over here? देख लो एक बार, कुछ गलती लग रहा है? लग रहा है कि नहीं? अभी अगर हम देखते हैं ये अपना एल्गोरिदम कहाँ पे गलत हो सकता है, इसके ये दिखाना है मुझे, ठीक है? इसके लिए हम वर्कआउट करेंगे किसी तरीके से। अभी ये जो डायग्राम है करेक्ट था, व्हाट दिस डायग्राम करेक्ट? ए स्टार प्लस बी स्टार के लिए
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट। फिर हमने ये प्रोसेस कैरी किया, ये भी बराबर था सारा, करेक्ट है ना?
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट था ये डायग्राम करेक्ट आया यहाँ पर। लेकिन जब हमने
Yes.
एल्गोरिदम
Yes.
अप्लाई करने का ट्राई किया, तो जब भी ऐसा आपके पास सिचुएशन आए, सो डोंट डिवाइड दिस, व्हाई आई विल टेल यू। अगर हम इसको ऐसे कर देते हैं तो दिक्कत यहाँ पे क्या होगा, तो दोनों साथ में नहीं होने चाहिए कभी भी, क्योंकि ये प्लस है। या तो ए लेगा सारे, या तो बी लेगा सारे, या सीधा एप्सिलॉन लेगा। करेक्ट? आर यू विद मी? Are you getting what I said? See,
Yes.
when I talk about A star B star, what would be set? First element would be epsilon. ये यहाँ से क्या, 0 से 1, 1 से 4, 4 से 9, या 0 से 5, 5 से 8, 8 से 9, तो एप्सिलॉन लेके जा रहा है। करेक्ट? बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट ओनली ए, तो यहाँ पर कितने भी आप ए ले सकते हो, ए के बाद बी नहीं ले सकते, क्योंकि यू कैनॉट गो बैक टू 0 ना। लेकिन इसमें दिक्कत क्या होगी अगर हमने ऐसे अप्लाई किया एल्गोरिदम, तो मैं आपको एक फॉल्स केस बता रहा हूँ। ये ऐसे आप जहां पर भी आपको एम्प्टी आए उसको हम मिनिमाइज नहीं करेंगे। करेक्ट? क्योंकि दिक्कत क्या हो रहा है, देखो अगर मैं ऐसे करता हूँ इस पोजीशन, तो क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर ए बी जो यहाँ पर एक्सेप्टेड नहीं इस डायग्राम में। आर यू विद मी? देखो यहाँ पर अगर ये जो डायग्राम था हमारा जो डीएफए बनाया, इसमें या तो ए लेगा या तो बी लेगा, वापिस फिर से ए के बाद बी आएगा क्या? यस प्लीज। नहीं आएगा। तो इसका मतलब हमारा ये डायग्राम गलत हो गया, क्योंकि ये जब एक लूप लेगा सपोज ए का, तो बी ले सकता है बाद में। यस। सो वी हैव टू मेक अ डिसीजन, और दिस इज द कंक्लूजन। whenever one of these groups are empty, minimization process cannot be applied. Is that okay? You cannot apply minimization process in such a case. Otherwise, your original DFA, your original NFA or regular expression, which you constructed into equivalent form of DFA, and the DFA that you may possibly construct, which is not a valid one. At least एक element दोनों group में चाहिए, एक element दोनों group में चाहिए. In that case only you can apply this minimization procedure. Understood? समझ में आ गया क्या करना है? ये हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते, समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
नोट इट डाऊन. हा यस. हा कोणतरी विचारत होतं काय प्रश्न. हॅलो, समजलं का?
Yes, sir.
बोला यार, कोणीतरी बोला ना.
Yes, sir.
समजले का?
असं सांगायला लागतं. वर्गामध्ये पण असं चुप बसतात का तुम्ही? मी तर पाहिलं पण नाही तुम्हाला कोणाला. ठीक है, ओके, करेक्ट. ये अप्लाई क्यों नहीं करना है, एक बार कोई बोलेगा मुझे? रिपीट करो मैंने जो स्टेटमेंट बोला था थोड़ी देर पहले. वन ऑफ यू.
फाइनल या तो नॉन फाइनल एम्प्टी है ना सर, इसलिए दोनों
याचा अर्थ
में से
काय?
कोई एम्प्टी होगा.
नाही, फायनल और नॉन फायनल एम्प्टी नाही. When we divide states into two groups for minimization process, if one of the group is empty, then you cannot apply this minimization algorithm. Both of them should contain at least one state. Is that okay? ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? समझ में आ गया क्या?
Yes, sir.
तो चलो आप एक कोई भी इसमें से एग्जांपल पिक करो, दूसरे को बताना नहीं है. ठीक है, जो आपने सॉल्व किया है इसमें से पिक करो और उसको सॉल्व करो. ये जो लिस्ट दिया हुआ था ना मैंने, उसमें से जो भी आपने डीएफए निकाला हुआ है उसका मिनिमाइजेशन करो. ठीक है, इस एल्गोरिथम से. आपके पास ऑलरेडी डीएफए है इनका, इन 10 सॉल्यूशंस का. किसी के पास नहीं होगा तो मुझे पूछ सकता है सबके पास? यस प्लीज. मैं ही बोल देता हूँ, है. ठीक है, आपको वो सॉल्व करना है और मुझे व्हाट्सएप पर डालना है. आपके सारे जो सॉल्यूशंस आप करके रख रहे हो उसको संभाल के रखना है. ठीक है, वो इमेजेस जो भी आप निकाल रहे हो मेल पर डाल के रखो. जब हम मिलेंगे, शायद अगर इस सेमेस्टर में मिलते हैं, तो देन वी विल एक्सचेंज. आई विल टेक दोज इमेजेस फ्रॉम यू लेटर, नॉट नाउ. ठीक है, मैं सॉल्यूशन डाल रहा हूँ, ये सॉल्यूशन भी आप ले लीजिए. आपको क्या करना है अभी? ट्राई, जो आपने 20 एग्जांपल सॉल्व किए विद assumption, जो मैंने 10 दिए थे, एंड यू क्रिएटेड योर ओन 10. करेक्ट. सो फॉर ईच ऑफ देम you have to apply this minimization procedure. It may happen that the DFA that you got cannot be minimized. That can happen. Right? It will remain as it is. That can happen. Not a problem. It is not necessary absolutely to get this minimized thing. Let me tell you, ये minimization मतलब क्या होता है. थोड़ा भी हम TCS से बाहर आ जाते हैं. Let us think of this. So suppose I am writing a C code, correct, and I am writing some statement like this: integer b equal to 10 c. ठीक है, यहाँ पर कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स मैंने लिखे हैं. फाइन. in these statements value of b and c is not getting changed. What are the number of 1000 million, कितने भी स्टेटमेंट्स हो सकते हैं यहाँ पर. Before I wrote this, ठीक है, यहाँ पर बीच में इन दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स के बीच में डिक्लेरेशन के बाद ये फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट फॉर सी. If you don't change value of b and even c, and if you are writing this, ultimately what you are telling, put value of b at the address represented by c. ऐसे बोल रहे हो ना. तो इससे अच्छा आप सीधा 10 लिख सकते थे ना यहाँ पर, अगर आपको पता था कि ये b equal to 10 चेंज नहीं होने वाला है b तो. लेकिन हमारी आदत ऐसी होती है, we do write this. So compiler internally, what compiler will do is compiler will replace this b by 10, provided this b was never manipulated here in between. ये जो भी स्टेट्स है, तो इसको बोला जाता है कंपाइलर के लैंग्वेज में एक प्रकार का ऑप्टिमाइजेशन है. ठीक है, मींस यू वांट टू गेन मोर. अभी देखो, आपको एक ऑप्टिमाइजेशन टेक्निक्स या ऑपरेशन रिसर्च करके कोर्स था मैथ्स में, या है? सुना है ऑप्टिमाइजेशन टेक्निक के, ऑप्टिमाइजेशन रिसर्च, ऑपरेशन रिसर्च?
हाँ सर.
उसमें आप मैक्सिमाइज मिनिमाइज करते हो ना प्रॉफिट का. करेक्ट, अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. सो एक्चुअली योर ऑप्टिमाइजेशन टेक्निक्स और ऑपरेशन रिसर्च इज यूज्ड इन कंपाइलर कंस्ट्रक्शन. मैथ्स यूज होता है. आप हो इसलिए कंप्यूटर साइंस है, अगर आप नहीं हो तो कंप्यूटर साइंस इज नॉट देयर। आपका एग्जिस्टेंस, मैथ्स का एग्जिस्टेंस, आप मतलब मैं आपका नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैथ्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, मैथ्स का एग्जिस्टेंस है इसलिए कंप्यूटर साइंस है, ठीक है। सो यू आर द बैकबोन। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है, ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वालों ने क्या किया, आपके मैथ को बेस लेते हुए मॉडल्स बनाए और उनको हम प्रोग्रामेटिकली इंप्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं। तो एवरीथिंग बॉइल्स डाउन टू लॉजिक। याद है लॉजिक वर्ड सुना था कहीं पे, कहाँ पे सुना था, याद करो। सीओ में कुछ था, कंप्यूटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एक सीओ कोर्स था आपको फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर
Sir,
में।
we have not CO course.
No, sir.
सीओ नहीं था, कंप्यूटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन।
Instead of CO, sir, there are statistics and probability.
नहीं मैं
Logic
ये
gates
बोल रहा
वगैरह
हूँ।
सर,
हाँ?
लॉजिक गेट्स,
हाँ,
लॉजिक गेट।
एक था ना कंप्यूटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन करके या कुछ कोर्स था, देखो सेकंड थर्ड कोर्स होगा शायद, पहले सेमेस्टर में था क्या, पहले या सेकंड
No,
सेमेस्टर में?
no, sir, we
पहले
didn't have. We didn't
No,
have.
sir.
In first sem-
Okay, so I don't know in which semester it was. Earlier it was in first semester, so let it be.
Actually, sir,
सारी
syllabus
बातें
is updated.
आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, आपके पास अगर मोबाइल है और आप मतलब आपको लेना है नया, तो इसको फोड़ दो, ठीक है, आपके मोबाइल में, ठीक है, अंदर बीच में आपको एक पीसीबी मिलेगा। यू कैन ट्राई दिस एट होम, खुद के मोबाइल पर ट्राई नहीं करना है, ठीक है। उसमें एक आपको मिलेगा पीसीबी। पीसीबी सुना है?
नहीं
पीसीबी
सर,
सुना है आपने, कैसे होता है?
नहीं।
सुना है कि नहीं सुना है?
नहीं सर।
नाही ऐकलेलं? एक मिनिट, मी तुम्हाला इमेज दाखवतो. हे असलं काहीतरी असतं बघा. ऐसा कुछ देखा है?
यस सर।
कंप्यूटर्स में होता है,
टीवी।
है ना?
Yes,
ऐसे
sir.
बोर्ड होता है, इसको बोलते हैं प्रिंटेड सर्किट बोर्ड, पीसीबी, ठीक है। तो इसमें जो डिवाइस होते हैं, रजिस्टर्स वगैरह सारे, वो बिल्ड करके लॉजिक गेट्स बनाए जाते हैं और वो उसका लॉजिक होता है। जैसे आप एंड और ऑपरेशन लेते हो ना, 1+1 कितना होता है? प्लस अगर करते हैं तो बाइनरी में प्लस मतलब क्या होता है? एंड होता है कि और होता है?
और होता है। और
और
ये हमने और ही किया ना फिर अभी यहाँ पर a प्लस बी स्टार किया, तो a स्टार प्लस बी स्टार किया, मतलब ये या ये हुआ ना, तो एक्चुअली लॉजिक गेट आ गया कि नहीं यहाँ पर? वही बात है, ठीक है। तो ऐसा सिचुएशन होता है हमेशा। सो यू ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट लॉजिक. सो मैथमेटिक्स इज primarily a important course, okay, and then everything कम्स लेटर, ठीक है।